Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Charge it above 50% and back up your data, because later steps can affect system state. Once done, open Settings, go to About, and tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. This exposes the OEM unlocking control. Make sure USB debugging is enabled so you can use fastboot if needed. Now connect the phone only if you plan to use fastboot. Otherwise, stay in Settings to toggle the OEM unlocking option next. In Developer Options, locate the OEM unlocking switch and turn it off. You will see a warning explaining it prevents future bootloader unlocks, so read and confirm if you agree. Once toggled off, the device stops allowing bootloader unlock commands from Android, which is the primary prevention method. If the OEM toggle is absent, that means the system state requires relocking the bootloader directly. So next you prepare to use fastboot on a computer to relock the bootloader safely. To complete, reboot into the bootloader, and if you have an unlocked bootloader, run the command fastboot flashing lock from your PC. This relocks the bootloader and ensures the OEM unlocking option is disabled at system level. Once done, reboot to Android and verify developer options shows OEM unlocking set to off, then restore your backups. If relock fails, make sure PC drivers and fastboot tool are correct, confirm the device is authorized, and retry. If problems persist, reflash stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.